What up, great people? It's your favorite rope guy here, Lawrence from Low Fitness, and today we shall learn how to do the double unders. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Double unders is basically jumping one time and allowing the rope pass beneath your feet 2 times. Yeah, it's that simple. So if you have been jumping rope for at least 1 month and you don't know what double unders is,
you're just new.
Because double unders is a very popular move that most jump ropers are nailing right now. It has 2 striking benefits, one being fat loss for your weight loss program, and it also helps the brain communicate with other body parts to improve your proprioception. So without further ado, let's get to it.
Let's begin this tutorial with the jump. No, that's not what I'm talking about. To perfect double unders, you need to learn the power jump, which is simply done by putting your legs together and jumping with little suspension on air before returning to the floor. It's that simple. Consider your feet as a vault or trampoline on which you bounce on. While you jump, you make a little suspension, then you return to the floor. So if you make this move perfectly, you can do something like this, and double unders will be so much easier for you to do. While doing the power jump, avoid flexing at the knee or jumping to bend towards your core. This will stress you out and you'll burn out in no time. So stick with the normal power jump procedure. Once you're comfortable with the power jump, let's begin with the hands. Your hands movement is not so different from the basic bounce. This time you have to make a 2 times resolution, like you whip the rope 2 times. Make sure you have your hands close to your body. Don't open them too wide as if you want to hug the world. This way your revolutions will come out clean. One secret to learn double unders fast is to sync your hands movement with the jump. This is simply done by moving your hands in the opposite direction to your jump. That means your hands will whip downward while you make your jump upward. So try to time it. Once you've gotten that secret, try to make few jumps with that hands movement. There's one thing to note while doing the power jump for double unders. If you open your legs wider, your jumps will be so weak and you can't make a very good suspension. That means you trip at ease. So to make a very good power jump, make sure your feet are close, not close enough to be touching each other, but make sure your feet are close together enough to give you that lift for a suspension before you land, so that your rope can pass easily beneath your feet. Let's try few double unders with what we've learned so far. You're doing really great. But another thing you need to take note of is avoid dead ends. Dead ends in real sense means stopping a section of jump rope intentionally. This is not going to help you learn double unders. To chain a lot of double unders, you need to avoid dead ends. Instead of using dead ends all the time, allow the rope to naturally trip on you. That way you learn how to chain more double unders at ease.
There you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, patient and right practice makes perfect. So if you find any part of this tutorial challenging, let us know in the comment section. Subscribe to start skipping like a pro and hit that notification button so you don't miss out on our new contents. Remain beautiful, be handsome, stay fit, and most importantly, be healthy. Take care of yourself, guys. Enjoy.